Tariffs may be taking a toll on your mental health, and we're talking rising grocery prices to job security, even inflation. There are so many financial unknowns for a lot of you right now. According to The Guardian, a study by the Harris poll says more than 70% of Americans are concerned about tariffs. And if that is you, you might be experiencing some stress, anxiety, and even fear. Life and mental health coach Cheryl Bridges suggesting taking an active approach to reducing worry and also increasing resilience during these tough economic times.
I'm seeing that tariff stress is real. It is absolutely valid. Hearing that from several of my clients, whether it be because of uncertainty of job stability now, and then you add in some of the tariffs that are creating increases in prices of goods. So tariff stress is where financial anxiety creeps in because of the uncertainty, because of the costs going up, because of the instability of my job. And it creates stress, real stress. Mm-hmm.
And when that stress kind of enters in, what do you encourage people to do?
The first thing I encourage people to do, Corey, is to acknowledge your emotions. They're real. Give yourself permission to feel the anxiety. You can even say that to yourself sometimes. I give myself permission to feel anxious. It's okay not to be okay. Feel it, but don't become it if you can help it. And then next, we've talked about this before, you've got to limit your exposure to constant updates, especially economic updates. We want to stay informed, but we don't want to become overwhelmed. So manage that. And then finally, I would say importantly is protecting your mindful budgeting. Practice mindful budgeting. This is a time to reassess your expenses, your spending, your saving, because if we can feel in control of even one area of our life, even if it's finances, it helps to minimize the anxiety.
And to do that, what's the Cheryl's Pearls for people who are watching?
The Cheryl's Pearls, I'm using the word calm. And I say calm because one thing I share often is try not to let people or situations pull you into their chaos. You pull them into your calm. So calm means control what you can. Just focus on small, manageable steps. And then ask for help. Asking for help is one of the bravest things anyone can ever do. And then limit some of that negative news intake and then meditate and move. Stress is in the body. So the way to release that stress is to focus on your mind or your body. Meditate and move.
And if you have a financial advisor, now could be a good time to speak with them to weigh your options so that you can take control of your money. Also, if the stress is still overwhelming and hard to manage, you should reach out to a health professional for support.